This is Mark James. So we have a client who has not been stretched out in a while. So we're gonna be doing a little bit of Thai tabletop Thai massage infused with some Swedish and some hot rocks, and we'll see. Yes, I'm feeling tight calf right here. But we gradually introduce ourselves. Yes. This is what you call tabletop Thai. Okay. We'll work on quads here, glutes, phalanges, and I'm gradually gonna crawl on top of the back here. Gradual. I'm just using my body weight. Knees and the glutes.
I feel like I just grew 2 inches. Oh my god, that's so good.
Grab my wrist.
Oh. Oh.
And push away from the wrist, from the spine. Look at the scapula.
Oh.
All of this is no oil.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Okay, that's just my introduction.
Oh.
And we're gonna start with the feet and move on up.
Oh. Oh.
Stretch. Shake, shake.
Oh. Oh.
It's a little bit of muscle testing, so we know. And this is gonna what we do, just a gradual approach, you'll find out a lot. You can look at the body and you can tell which side is higher, which side is lower, which leg is a little bit longer. This is what we do. We just analyze and see how we're going to approach this session. Anyway, this is Mark James, celebrating 20 plus years of massage excellence in Greater Atlanta. If you love what I do, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Caribbean Gifts. You can follow me on Instagram and or Threads. Thanks, like and subscribe and share. Thank you.